In recent years, actual combat has proven that drones have become an indispensable technological weapon on the battlefield. In the absence of reliable countermeasures, both sides of the conflict use various types of drones to harvest the lives of enemy soldiers, including professionally designed military small drones. In 2016, Israel publicly displayed a small single-soldier suicide drone called the Spike Firefly. This weapon is said to have been officially equipped by the Israeli military in 2020 and has been used in actual combat. It may also become one of the future individual soldier equipment for the U.S. Army. The Spike Firefly is a helicopter-style drone developed by the Rafael Advanced Defense Systems company. The drone weighs about 3 kilograms and has a cylindrical shape when folded, with a diameter of 8 centimeters and a height of 40 centimeters. Its foldable coaxial contra-rotating propellers are located on the top, with an expanded rotor diameter of 60 centimeters, driven by an electric motor and powered by a battery. The Spike Firefly is designed for tactical targets at a distance of 500 to 1,000 meters. The entire system weighs 15 kilograms, including 3 Spike Firefly drones and a remote control panel. The drone features a modular design, allowing the user to choose to install 1 or 2 batteries as needed. One battery can provide 15 minutes of endurance, and the drone is capable of vertical takeoff and landing, with a maximum flight speed of 60 kilometers per hour. The drone can hover and maintain stability even in wind speeds of 10 meters per second, and the user can also terminate the mission and recover the aircraft. The combat payload of the drone is also modular, weighing 350 grams. Users can choose to assemble an omnidirectional fragmentation warhead or an armor-piercing warhead, with the former used against personnel and the latter against light armored vehicles. The drone is equipped with a multispectral guidance head for target detection, identification, and tracking, using encrypted two-way data link transmission to execute missions in both day and night conditions. Of course, it does not necessarily have to be used for attack missions. The small and agile drone with low noise levels can also be used for tactical reconnaissance missions, especially in complex battlefield environments with dense buildings. The company also provides a vehicle-mounted Spike Firefly system that can be installed on infantry fighting vehicles to launch drones from inside the vehicle to perform reconnaissance, strike, and other tasks, thus enhancing the survival capability of the infantry fighting vehicle on the battlefield. At present, the actual combat experience of the Spike Firefly is not well known. According to Rafael, the Israeli military has conducted relevant tests in urban environments and simulated anti-sniper operations. A group of soldiers have received drone operation training. It is believed that the Israeli military officially adopted the Spike Firefly in 2020 and has used it in counterterrorism operations. According to reports, in May of this year, the U.S. military conducted tests on the Spike Firefly, and the test results seem to be quite satisfactory. Therefore, the U.S. military is very likely to equip this equipment for the Army and Marine Corps.